2, 1. We're on a race car. Lock it down. Watch the bottom. Big push behind him. Low, low, low. They're wrecking. That was close. Green checkers. Nice job. Woo! How about that, boys?
Homestead-Miami Speedway. 4 drivers with a chance to make history.
Get her done. You do man. Good luck.
I got you guys. Have a great day. Appreciate all the effort.
267 laps. Fighting your ass off. Do it for JD. Take care of it all day. Be in the ball game at the end. Have fun.
The championship 4 in the front 2 rows.
1 championship out in front of them, 400 miles away. Green flag in the air.
Right with you. Way up top outside.
And you're clear right there. New leader, that 19. Come on.
Yeah, that's it. Quickest car. You're figuring it out.
Just starting to get a little bit tighter here. Tight into both corners, really. Lacking rear grip.
Stage winner. MCJ right here's the line, bud. Good job.
Back up through the gears. The 18 out in front. Now can he stay there?
Inside 19.
Still out there. And clear by half, clear by 1.
Pretty happy with this 19 car, but he said since making that stop at the stage break, he's been a little bit tighter.
Oh, we got something wrong. Yeah, we got the tire switched. Come back. Come back to you, okay. We got it. We got the left front on the right front, the right front on the left front.
He's a lap down now, running in the 13th position.
Yellow. Yellow. Watch for debris.
We got the lucky dog. Oh, that was dramatic. I don't know how the hell we did that.
Me neither, man.
The fans getting a great show here as we get ready for the final stage to get underway.
Green flag goes back out.
Harvard got Buzz. You're clear. Keep it Denny Zamo. Denny Zamo. He's clear.
Maybe a problem for Denny Hamlin. They put a massive piece of tape on the grill.
Water's tagged. We're really hot. 10-4. We're spitting water bad. I mean, we're not going to make it.
Bring it. Bring it.
44 to go here. Harder you can go. I know that. It's just all mirror driving. Track position.
Long here. Hope for a caution.
You're waiting on the 4 to bet the 19 game.
All right, here comes Kevin Harvick. He will give up the race lead. This is brutal.
This will hand the lead to Kyle Busch.
Shook through. We're leader.
Yeah, freaking tight again.
Coming back. 10 to go.
Only chance is a yellow at this point. 5 to go.
And white flag. Coming back no matter what. One more smart one. Bring it home, champ.
Kyle Busch is going to win his 2nd Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series championship.
Hell yeah, guys. Awesome year. Thank you, boys. Oh, 2-timer out there. Proud of you, buddy. Way to stick with it. Great job, guys.
What a performance he has put on.
He is a champion yet again in the Monster Energy NASCAR Cup Series.